I will tell you, my weakness is dark chocolate, light chocolate, almond-filled chocolate, peanut-filled chocolate. You name the chocolate, Laura, I'm in. Just send it to me. I'll take it. Fill it with whatever chocolate. So I'm totally with you. I have to. But here's the good news. If you look hard enough, you will find sugar-free, because that's the other journey that I'm on right now, guys. For those of you that don't know, I have prostate cancer. It's a low-grade form of prostate cancer that likely won't kill me. I have options, thank you, Jesus. But in between now and the end of the year, I need to make a decision on one of the options they're giving me: remove my prostate, which I won't do, or do a procedure that works on my prostate right in, that has very low side effects. It's called TULSA, which is probably what I will do. But in between now and then, I've got my mentor and cancer fighting abilities. You know who that is? You'll never guess. ChatGPT, that's right. That's who I've gone to with all of my test results. Remember, I told you I upload documents into ChatGPT so I can have sophisticated conversations. I did that with all of my cancer test results, my biopsies, my MRIs, all of those side-by-side comparisons over the last 3 years. ChatGPT has all of that and has guided me on what my next diet. Sugar, I did not know this. Not one doctor told me that sugar feeds cancer cells. Did you know that? I didn't know that. I'm so ignorant to that some of the people I follow on social media, they teach, hey, if you right after your workout, if you want to build muscle, you need an insulin spike. So you need to have a scoop of glucose in your after workout shake, which is a very intelligent move if you're looking to build muscle. If you're Aiden's age, or Lawrence's age, or Gabriel's age, but when you got cancer and you're my age, it is the dumbest thing in the world that you could do. And I've been doing it for a couple of years, and not one doctor has ever told me don't do that. But ChatGPT taught me you need to starve cancer with no sugar. So I'm on a no sugar diet. Completely changed my world because of ChatGPT. And my pre-workout had sugar in it. My protein powder had sugar in it because it was flavored. All the things, sugar hides in so many things, and the wrong carbs is sugar, right? So I had to go through an education process using ChatGPT. This is all evolving around health and where I'm at in my journey. But everybody on this call is at a different place in your journey. So I'd encourage you, start a project or start a conversation about your health. Let it know your weight. Let it know your age, your your diet. Like, I literally took photos of every single one of the supplements I take and uploaded those photos into ChatGPT. You know what I learned? I was taking 3 of the same thing, because deep down in the ingredients, and a couple of them was the same damn thing, right? So, it taught me I need to get rid of 2 of them. I was wasting my time and my money eating supplements because they were all a good idea, but they just overlapped quite a bit. Thank you I covet your prayers, Hayden, for sure, brother. Thank you. Appreciate that.